What if I told you that the story you tell yourself is the invisible force shaping your entire life? Your beliefs, your success, your happiness, everything is dictated by a single narrative running in your mind. But here's the kicker, most people are stuck in a story they didn't even write. A story filled with limitations, doubts, and past failures. What if you could rewrite it? What if changing your story could change your life, instantly? Welcome to Laws of the Universe. In this video, we're diving deep into how the stories we tell ourselves create our reality and, more importantly, how you can rewrite yours to create the life you truly desire. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to share a powerful, step-by-step process to break free from limiting beliefs and script a new destiny. Let's begin. Your story equals your reality. Everything in your life right now, the money in your bank account, the quality of your relationships, your level of happiness, it's all a reflection of the story you believe about yourself. Think about it. If you tell yourself, "I'm not good with money," you'll always struggle financially. If your story is "I can't lose weight," your mind will find ways to prove it true. Your subconscious is like a loyal servant, it follows the script you give it without question. So, here's the million-dollar question: what's the story running in your mind? And is it helping you, or holding you back? The power of rewriting your story. The good news: you are the author of your life story. And just like a writer can edit a book, you can rewrite the narrative running in your mind. The most successful people on the planet weren't born with an advantage, they simply crafted a different story. Oprah Winfrey could have stuck with the story of being poor and unwanted as a child. Instead, she rewrote it, "I am destined for greatness." And she lived into that story. Jim Carrey wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered when he was a broke, struggling comedian. He told himself a new story, and reality caught up. So, here's the secret: the universe responds to your story. Change your story, and your entire reality shifts. Let's get practical. Here's how you can start rewriting your story today. 1. Identify your old story. Write down the negative beliefs you've been repeating about yourself. "I'm not smart enough. I always fail. Success is for other people." Be brutally honest. 2. Flip the script, replace each limiting belief with an empowering one. Instead of "I'm not good enough," say "I am constantly improving and growing." Instead of "I can't afford it," say "I am attracting abundance every day." 3. Reinforce with emotion. A story only sticks if it triggers emotions. Feel the excitement, confidence, and power of your new narrative. Close your eyes and imagine living your new story right now. 4. Repeat relentlessly. Repetition rewires the brain. Speak your new story daily, write it, visualize it, and affirm it until it becomes your truth. Now, here's the real test: will you continue living the old story? Or will you take control and rewrite your destiny? The universe is always listening. The moment you change your story, reality shifts to match it. But here's something most people don't realize: there's a hidden force that accelerates this transformation even faster. I'll reveal it in my next video, so if you're ready to unlock the full power of your mind and truly manifest the life you deserve, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Your new story starts now. See you in the next one.